Socialization is an absolute essential skill for a child to be ready to learn speech and language and use it. If your child is not socializing, is not engaging with you, noticing you, making eye contact, reacting, then your child is most likely not ready to use and learn language. So really important. These songs will also help with speech and language. I'll explain how, but that is why they're so important. Okay, Itsy Bitsy Spider. I'm going to sing it fast for you, and then I'm going to show you and really explain how I do this with kids. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, so, that's how I do the hand motions. You don't have to do it exactly like that. But the point is that you have hand motions that you do consistently that your child can learn. It's important for a child to learn to use their hands in new ways. And so this is going to help them for multiple reasons, right? It's participating, it's social, it's exercising their hands, as well as it is getting them ready for signs. If your child's a late talker, then sign language is usually a really important in-between step between not talking and talking, using sign language. So if they learn to use their hands during songs, then they're going to be more ready for that sign language, okay? So I do it like this, really slow, really exaggerated. And I have them on them little lap, and I'm right there, and I'm probably rocking my whole body to get them engaged and get them from, not running away. Now, the other great thing about this is there's some directional parts, okay? So you are learning language, right? Up the spout, down, okay? But it's also eye tracking, getting your child to watch your hands, watch their hands as they go. Some children who are not socially engaged, you may notice they don't actually track items consistently when you're moving them, or when a ball rolls across the floor, they don't actually track it with their eyes. So if you're noticing that, this is an extra great song to practice that. Okay, so you help them do all of those actions. You're doing it all for them, and then you're helping them less by maybe just taking their arms and then maybe just kind of tapping their elbows. The idea is to get them more and more independent, okay? And then you pause in the song. Out came the, and see, maybe they'll vocalize with you. Vocalizing during songs is really important. We watch for that as speech language pathologists. And then see, do they put their hands kind of up towards the air? Then they remember and they're recognizing language. Oh, when mom says, out comes up, I need to put my hands up there. So you're teaching a lot within this one game, okay? Getting them engaged to use their fingers again is going to help them to learn to sign too. Okay, lyrics are down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this game and your child does too. Like and subscribe so that you never miss a video. Leave a comment, ask me a question, and I'll try and make a video about your topic. Thanks so much. I'm Kayla from Walkie Talkie. Bye.